Hello, Matt with LaRue Performance here. I'm going to show you some of the current stuff about our turbo kits. Nothing's really changed back here. As you can see, the box still works with all the junk stock parts. This guy's going to come pick her up. It's December 20th area, 2023. Got the catch can there, the air filter in the back. This is a premium kit with a UMP filter shoved in there. Pipe going back up the stock inlet so you can sink in the water, I suppose, up to that pipe, I guess, if you want to do that. This car's been dynoed. It made 350 wheel horsepower. You can see the exhaust change colors. Still got the old boot on there. Back seats are all intact. It's just holding the stock parts is all. See the back window in there still wide open. What's different about this car is it's got turn signals. So let's show you how that works a little bit. Of course, we got the ECU master dash in there. So if you flip the lever down as you're turning left, the indicator on the display shows you turning left. Same with turning right. And you also have a brake switch indicator, the second one down. So it shows you whether your brake pedal's working or not. And you have the key switch indicator. As you notice, it won't start just turning the key. You have to push on the brake to get it to start. So that's how you get her started. Now, if you want to shut her off, you choose a stop button. So that's how the start-stop button works. You can push on the brake, push the start button, fire right back up. We'll shut her off, make her quiet here. So you have the reset button. The reset button controls the data here. Like I can do max CPS, I just reset it. And reset clears that. And you have trip. Then the cruise is you have to be going above 18 miles an hour. And you can use the cruise button. But the eat button changes screens. So here's another screen that we have set up to show you which boost setting and how much power it is and what gas needs to be in the car. This car here is a 91 to 110 blend. So that little green 0 on the left hand side of LaRue there is the boost setting. So 0 through 5. 0 being 91, number 1 being 95 octane, and then 2 is race gassing up as shown in the screen here. That way, in case you forget what gas needs to be in it per setting, this will give you a guidance of where it needs to be. So the turbo button here is what changes the settings to how much boost it's going to give you. And then rolling launch control, you can turn that on, do some rolling burnouts all you want. And then launch control. We'll do that here in a minute. Let's fire it up with the start button here. As you can see, this does start pretty good. Let's go ahead and back out. Actually rained here in Scottsdale for once this morning, so we've been inside all day. Let's go give her a little drive. We'll get her warmed up before we beat on it. Then get her set. car's all the way over. Traffic jam over here. Alright, now we got her up to operating temperature, rolling down the road. Now we're nice and easy on the main bearings. Gonna boost up a little. Immediate burnout on setting 4. I guess that's a cruise control here. So we're first set. Cruising down the road. Wait for getting a speeding ticket here. So now it's cruising, wait for the truck to go by. Rolling launch control. Pretty good. We can't do launch control in this car because there's not enough clutch spring in it. But it can do it if the clutch was set up for it. So that's about the video here. Drive around in the old Pro R. See a third signal there. But we're not really going to turn. This thing makes boost really quick. As soon as you whack the gas, you're into the boost. There's no lag from the turbo done right. Just immediately doesn't burn out. Well, take her back to the shop here. Wrap her up. Like there's the guy that picked the car up right there. So there you have it. That's the Troy Lee car with the new dash setup. Gonna shut her off. With all the new cool kid features.